What is one thing that Salesforce admins have in common? They're always looking to broaden their skills and deepen their expertise. One way to enhance their proficiency and deliver more value to their organization as a Salesforce administrator is by helping their organization capture payments directly in Salesforce. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin who wants to optimize Salesforce to meet your organization's payments processing needs, then you're in the right place. And because you're a Salesforce expert, you already know that you can visit the App Exchange to learn more about Chargent. Head on over there now to watch demos, view the latest features, or chat with one of our reps. We'll put a link in the description of this video. We all know that Salesforce administrators are the superheroes of Salesforce, working tirelessly to keep their Salesforce orgs in tip-top shape. An administrator's role is cross-functional, bridging the gap between what business users want to accomplish and the technical aspect of how to make that happen in Salesforce. With Salesforce's approach to low-code development, admins typically use declarative point-and-click tools to solve business problems. This is why Chargent has been developed with Salesforce admins in mind. We wanted to allow an admin to implement and manage their payment processing in Salesforce with as little effort as possible. Let's take a look at a few ways an admin can tackle some of the common challenges in Salesforce using Chargent. Configuration and customization. One of admin's most important jobs is configuring and customizing Salesforce based on a specific business requirement. And there are no more important business requirements than your organization's ability to collect payments in a timely manner. Since Chargent is built in Salesforce, it can be configured to take payments in any Salesforce solution. Anything you can do with Salesforce, you can do with Chargent. That being said, we made it easy to get up and running with Chargent with as little or as much customization and configuration as necessary. Out of the box, you can automate recurring billing, send payment links to your customers, or take payments from any object in Salesforce, all using clicks, not code. If you want to see Chargent in action, you can explore anything Chargent has to offer at the Salesforce App Exchange. Take a test drive, chat with a rep to get your questions answered, or even start a free 30-day trial and try it out yourself. We'll leave a link in the description that will take you right there. User access and security. Payment processing requires careful consideration of access management, one of Salesforce admin's favorite jobs. Chargent's user access is controlled by licenses and pre-made permission sets in Salesforce. A Salesforce admin can determine exactly who can access Chargent objects and fields by assigning Chargent's licenses and permissions to the right users. This helps you maintain the principle of least privilege while, at the same time, reducing the scope of your PCI compliance. Reporting and analytics. With great data comes great insight. As a Salesforce admin, you can deliver vital analytics to help leaders on your organization make better, data-driven decisions. Chargent provides pre-built reports so you don't need to create them from scratch. You can monitor information like gateway usage, account receivable, or overall transactions with a click of a button, and deliver critical insights that directly impact the bottom line. Release management. And while becoming a Salesforce payment expert can add a gold star to your Salesforce superhero cape, we know that you got a lot on your plate. Admin needs to ensure you're current with the many apps in the Salesforce org, typically involving plenty of testing and planning. That's why we made things simple with push updates. Relieving admins from the need to execute the deployment of new releases, push updates keep you up to date on major releases, providing access to Chargent's latest and greatest features so that you can continue to deliver. We make sure to update you following each major Salesforce release. These are just a few ways that admins can use Chargent to boost the bottom line by simplifying payment processing in Salesforce.
Did you know that you can automate payment-related tasks in Salesforce without writing a single line of code? The Chargent app is built to empower Salesforce admins to do exactly that. My name's Don, and I'm from Chargent. If you are a Salesforce admin or consultant who wants to learn about low and no-code payment automations, you are in the right place. And if Chargent is a new name to you, I encourage you to visit our App Exchange listing, which you can find by clicking on the link in the description below. Salesforce provides some awesome tools for automation that require no coding or development whatsoever. Our favorite here at Chargent is Flow. Salesforce Flow enables you to create sophisticated, automated workflows. And Chargent makes this even easier with Flow templates built right into the app that you can tailor to meet your needs. Today, I'm going to help you get those creative juices flowing by touching on 3 examples of how you can use Chargent in Salesforce Flow. Number 1, account creation at checkout. It's no surprise that payment friction increases your cart abandonment rates, but you can remove some of that friction simply by reducing the number of steps required for a new customer to create an account and submit a payment. Writing a Salesforce flow would be a great way to achieve this. In a nutshell, that flow would be designed to achieve the following. It should trigger when a Chargent order record is created from an online payment from a new customer. It should include an element that creates an account or contact record, whichever you're using for your customers in your org, and it should copy the name, billing address, and email address values from the new Chargent order record to the new account or contact record. And it should trigger an email send with a welcome message to that customer, and it should provide them with a link to their new account login. With this flow, you've automated some of those account creation steps. You've also welcomed your new customer with a friendly email, inviting them to visit your site again. I mentioned our AppExchange listing earlier. If this video is sparking ideas for Salesforce automations, please do head over to the listing by clicking on the link in the description below and check out our 500+ reviews to see what others have to say. I think you'll see that you can get paid faster using automated processes in Chargent. Number 2, field service payments. Now, field service can be unpredictable in that there's no telling what the fix is until your rep has examined the problem up close. You can simplify the payment process for field service reps and your customers by creating a mobile screen flow that captures the products and services rendered during the visit, summarizes the total amount due on the next page, then presents the Chargent Take Payment component where your customer submits the payment. This simple flow streamlines the experience and serves both your business and your customer. Number 3, automated collections. Our automated collections add-on does the heavy lifting of retrying payment collection and reaching out to your customers to recover missed payments. If you're looking to use this tool for missed payments outside of Salesforce, check out our automated collections flow template. Simply edit this template to recognize your trigger criteria, then activate it. From there, automated collections will kick in anytime that criteria is met and progress through its collection stages until the payment is collected. See, you don't need to be a Salesforce developer to create powerful, effective automations. The examples I've touched on here illustrate that. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm willing to bet that as a Salesforce admin, you have some process automation ideas of your own. I encourage you to make those ideas a reality. My name's Don, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And don't forget to check out our AppExchange listing linked in the description. For more helpful content, watch this next video. And remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.